Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good peanut butter with Heath chocolate taffy bites. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, in a small bowl we're going to add in the flour. That's a cup and a half, 1 cup and a half of flour, all-purpose flour. And then we're going to add in two teaspoons of baking soda or baking powder, and then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now then we're going to add in our salt, and that's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then what we're going to do, we're going to whisk this all together very well. Make sure all this stuff got in very well. It's very important. Okay, that did. Just whisk this well. Okay, we're going to start with the creamy peanut butter first. And we're going to put, this is 6 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Get as much as you can in there of it. Okay, good enough. And then we're going to add in 1 cup of brown sugar. And then we're going to add in the 6 tablespoons of canola oil. And we're going to whisk this. Okay, we're going to whisk this together so it becomes creamy. Okay. And now we're going to add in 2 eggs. And we're going to whisk this together. Okay, we're going to add in 1 cup of milk. Okay, now we're done with this part. We're going to take our dry ingredients that we've mixed well together, and we're going to dump it in, all of it. Make sure there's nothing at the very bottom stuck. Okay, that'll be good enough. And on top of this, what I want to add with this is I'm going to add some of that. Help with the flavor of it. Look at the whole thing in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put scoops at a time in here. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until it's done. We'll come back, take a look at it. Okay, take a look at that. They are looking beautiful. They're done now. I'm not going to worry about putting frosting on top of it because honestly, I don't typically care for the taste of frosting on my cupcakes. I like them like this. I'm going to let them cool down and we're going to try one of these. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. I'm going to take this little small one. Look at that. That's so delicious right there. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day.